Welcome to the Ghostbusters Academy.
This is our training facility.
Snehesh and I, Lidiya, are excited to tell you about the Ghostbusters Academy, a Ghostbusters field certification training program. First, however, let's take a step back and take a critical look at the Ghostbusters in action.
Alright, so that's the target right there. Just put your thumb on that red trigger button there.
Yep.
And go to town.
Okay. And here we go!
What's the problem here?
Collateral damage. Not only the ghosts are causing the problems, but the Ghostbusters themselves, in the process of killing the ghost, are destroying infrastructures. Also, the gun that they're using are heavy and difficult to use, so in the process of trying to destroy the ghost, they are causing a lot of destruction.
We at the Ghostbusters Academy believe that the Ghostbusters should continue to be deployed into the field. They should not be replaced by someone or something else. These are ghost researchers. This is their expertise, and the problem is that they have limited interaction with ghosts. So this is a prime opportunity to study the ghost in a natural environment, to understand how it behaves, to understand which are aggressive, which are not, to understand how they react when they're shot at, to collect samples, and so forth. They are also the ones who develop the guns and other tools used to combat ghosts. Field testing is therefore an opportune means to validate the success of their products. Does the gun fire when it should? Is it easy to do so? Does it weigh a lot? Or does it require significant training? So these are all questions that require field testing to fully understand the answers to. There's also the third argument, the fact that no one else has even remotely comparable expertise combating ghosts. The Ghostbusters are truly the ones and only. Consider this. The Ghostbusters are essentially acting as first responders, dispatch the vanquished ghosts at a crime scene. The problem is that they have neither the physical nor the technical or psychological prowess to efficiently complete their jobs. And for this reason, walls are lit on fire, structures crumble, they might narrowly miss a human being. So what we're proposing is the Ghostbusters Academy.
In Ghostbusters Academy, we take a two-pronged approach: training and redesigning the gun. The training consists of two parts. One is the training system and the training methodology. The methodology is basically slowly building up your skill and building exposure for you to the ghost such that when you go to the field, you're ready for them. The training system consists of 4 pieces. The centerpiece is the web server that accepts wirelessly connections from the gun, the ghost, and the dashboard. When the gun shoots, it receives wirelessly how much of the laser energy is being used. And when the laser hits the ghost sends of the information of how much destruction the ghost is experiencing to the web server. And all of this is being wirelessly displayed in a dashboard. This is what our final gun prototype looks like. It's made up of a repurposed water gun from a dollar store. This is how the gun works. Once the gun connects to the web server, when you press the spring, the wires touch, causes the laser to fire, and then also sends a signal to the web server. This is our ghost simulation. The ghost receiver uses a photovoltaic cell, and when laser hits the photovoltaic cells, this is recorded and is registered as the amount of destruction done to the ghost, and this information is sent to the web server. The ghost sits on top of a drone, and the drone flies around in order for you to get a dynamic feel of a ghost flying around as you learn how to shoot. This is the training software dashboard. Here, you will be able to see how much of the laser energy is used and how much damage is done to the ghost. After each session, a reset is pressed to reset the values.
Now let's see a demo.
In this clip, you see a participant going through static target practice shooting. In these clips, you see participants shooting at a moving target that is moving at different rates and at different heights.
Good, you got two. Okay, good. So now since I'm moving on. Very good. You're 50%. 60. Who's the aiming now?
Our star alumni, Dr. Jennifer Goldbeck, was scheduled to give everyone a live demonstration of her skills. She learned while at the Ghostbusters Academy. However, she's unavailable as she's on assignment cleaning up a ghost infestation in an undisclosed location. We do, however, have her certificate awaiting her upon her return.
Thank you and goodbye.